Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. As you can see by the title, it is Vlogmas Day 4 Skincare with me. In today's video, we are going to be making handmade soaps. I'm super excited about this video because I've gotten a lot of questions about tips that I can pass on to you guys for soap making processes. So we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna go over all of those today. I'm gonna show you 2 different types of soaps. We're gonna do some with essential oils. We're also gonna do one with fragrance. And again, everything that is discussed, all the supplies, materials, will be linked in my Amazon storefront in the description, and any additional details, including the recipes, will also be linked in the description. So we're gonna go ahead and we're going to jump right in. So of course, before we start with prepping our ingredients, we're gonna make sure we start off on a clean and sanitized surface. We're gonna start off with our goat's milk soap base. You can get a good 9 2-ounce bars out of this 2 pounds. So I know some of you guys may be wondering why I'm not doing the cold soap making process. That is a process that I'm still trying to learn and understand and get used to. Until then, this is usually my go-to when it comes to making soaps. It's just as good, and you don't have to wait for the curing time, and it suds up very well in the water too, so I don't want you to have any doubts in the goat's milk soap base. You're gonna get the same consistency, in my opinion, whether or not you do the cold process or go the route of using the soap base. You don't have to go with a goat's milk soap base. There's shea butter. I think they have coconut milk. I've seen coconut milk soap base. I've seen different versions of this. I just prefer the goat's milk. Goat milk has a lot of benefit for the skin, so that is why I chose to go with this one. But this recipe will work with any of the soap bases. So I just want to go ahead and go over the benefits of the goat's milk on your skin. The number one benefit being that it has moisturizing properties. It's very rich in fatty acids, which makes it an excellent natural moisturizer. And in return, this helps to keep your skin soft and supple. It's also rich in nutrients such as vitamin A, vitamins B, vitamin C, and also minerals such as zinc and selenium. These nutrients can nourish the skin and promote its health. It also has anti-inflammatory properties. It's a gentle exfoliant. Goat's milk is also rich in antioxidants. It's suitable for various skin conditions due to its gentle and nourishing properties. Any product that's based with goat milk are often used to alleviate symptoms of skin conditions like eczema, psoriasis, and dry skin. Goat's milk has a pH level that is similar to a human skin, so in return, it helps maintain the natural pH of the skin, which is a win-win, and this can prevent disruptions that might lead to skin issues. It also promotes collagen production, which is also very important, especially with aging. It's going to promote elasticity and firmness of the skin. So yeah, those are just some benefits of why I like to use the goat's milk. If you're not informed already, with this specific melt and pour base, it's recommended to heat it in the microwave. I do recommend that you do it in 30-second intervals just to control the temperature and make sure it doesn't get too hot. And then we're gonna go on with 1 teaspoon of our fragrance oil. I decided to do cucumber melon for the fragranced option. I like the smell of it. I think you can't go wrong with that scent, which is why I chose this one, but you can make it your own, do any scent that you want, but this is the one that I chose to go with today. And I could have added a little bit more fragrance oil if I wanted to, but I wanted it to have a nice light fragrance. I didn't want it to be too loud. I thought about those who have sensitivity to scents, and if I'm gifting this to somebody, I do not want them to have a reaction to the scent in the soap. Now, if you want to add more, it's up to you. If you don't want to add any fragrance at all, you can do that as well, because some people can't handle any fragrance or essential oils at all. So you can, the good thing about this soap is that you can make it your own. You get a cute little silicone mold like what I'm using here, and it's going to turn out beautiful even if you don't put any scent to it. All that matters is the benefits that it has on the skin, which we went over that earlier. Once you've poured the soap into the mold, you want to spray the top with alcohol to get rid of all the air bubbles. It is unmolding time, and guys, look how beautiful the soaps turned out. That's why I said it's fun to play around with these silicone molds and get some cute ones, especially for the holidays when you're gifting these, because the mold will take the soap to the next level depending on whichever mold you use. And I would say each soap bar is about 2 to 3 ounces. It's a nice small soap, but you'll get a good use out of it. And then we're gonna also prepare the one with the essential oil. I decided to do tea tree and lavender. I like that duo together. I sell a soap on my site, and that's like the main essential oils that I put in there, just to help with the skin. Now again, you don't have to do this. You can make it unscented. If you want to put like some turmeric and just have some turmeric and goat's milk, you could do that as well, but it's up to you. It took about 60 minutes for the soap to fully harden, which is another reason why I love to use a melt and pour, for those of you who may be wondering. So we're gonna go ahead, just stir our essential oils in, and we're gonna let this cure, and then we're gonna dive into how I'm going to box these soaps up. So there's so many different ways that you could have packaged these up, but I decided to just get this cute little gold box. We're gonna get some, it's kind of giving hay. It has a texture of hay. We're gonna put that in the bottom of the box to, you know, give that natural effect to the box. And then I'm gonna put, this is gonna fit about 6 soaps. So I'm gonna put about 6 soaps into the box, 3 of the essential oils and 3 with the fragrance oil. There's so many different things you could do with this. You could put them in individual wraps and heat seal them, which I'll link that in the description as well if you're interested in going that route. You could give this one box to someone as a gift, someone who you know is like a handmade soap lover. You can even do individually wrapped soaps, and you could have them as stocking stuffers or party favors. So however you decide to package them up and use them for the holidays is up to you. And it is a wrap. I am so happy with how these soaps turned out. They look absolutely beautiful, and then not only are they beautiful, they're packed with quality ingredients. I would love to see how these turn out for you guys. Feel free to send your soaps to me on social media. If you want to email it to me, you can. I also wanted to show you guys how well the soap suds up. Now, if you're a soap connoisseur, then you know that not every soap suds the same. If you know, you know. As you can see here, this soap is doing what it's supposed to do. It's setting up very well. I recommend using it with an African net sponge or any exfoliating washcloth, but if you don't have that, your standard washcloth will work just fine. That's just my favorite duo, is a bar soap with an exfoliating wash rag. I am using the cucumber melon scent, and what I absolutely love is that it smells so yummy, but it is not overbearing. So it's definitely great for someone who's into fragrance, but they don't want it to be too loud. I also have the recipe for the essential oil soaps linked in the description as well. That's great for those who are into the more holistic options when it comes to ingredients in their skincare product. And still keep in mind that that goat's milk soap is packed with so many nutrients and benefits for the skin that if you want to omit any essential oils or fragrance oils, you can go ahead and do that as well. It'll be just as good. It'll serve its purpose. To bring this video to a close, I want to thank you all so much for tuning in with me today, and I will see you guys tomorrow for day 5 of skincare with me. Bye.